the relentless race of technological advancement, the industry landscape keeps evolving at an unprecedented pace. To stay competitive, businesses must adapt, innovate, and optimize their operations. Enter Lean Six Sigma, a methodology that focuses on improving the quality of process outputs, and Excel, a powerful tool for data analysis and decision-making. Add to this mix ChatGPT, a highly sophisticated AI model, and you have the perfect recipe for industry transformation. Imagine an industry bogged down by inefficiencies, where processes operate in silos, decision-making is based on hunches, and innovation is a mere buzzword. Now envision the same industry post the implementation of Lean Six Sigma, ChatGPT, and Excel. Processes are streamlined, data-driven decision-making is the norm, and innovation isn't just a buzzword but a way of life. Lean Six Sigma helps businesses identify and eliminate waste in their processes, leading to improved efficiency and customer satisfaction. To put this into perspective, consider the words of industry expert Mitch Manning, Jr., a Lean Six Sigma black belt holder. Mitch shares, "Implementing Lean Six Sigma in our organization has been a game changer. We've seen a significant reduction in process waste and a marked improvement in our overall efficiency." Excel, on the other hand, brings the power of data analysis to the forefront. James Matthew and Michael Cowles, both data analysts with over 10 years of experience, share their insights. Excel has been instrumental in our data-driven decision-making process. It's a robust tool that allows us to analyze and interpret data in a way that's meaningful for our business. Now imagine coupling Lean Six Sigma and Excel with the powerful AI capabilities of ChatGPT. This AI model can generate human-like text based on the input it receives, providing intelligent insights to drive decision-making processes. Industry expert Lena Hope shares her experience. Integrating ChatGPT into our operations has revolutionized the way we generate ideas and solutions. It's like having a team of experts working around the clock to provide us with innovative insights. But what does the future hold for these transformative tools? As technology continues to evolve, so does the potential of Lean Six Sigma, Excel, and ChatGPT. Future trends point towards more integrated solutions that harness the power of these tools to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Industry transformation isn't just about adopting new tools or methodologies. It's about cultivating a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. It's about staying ahead of the curve, anticipating changes, and adapting accordingly. By integrating Lean Six Sigma, Excel, and ChatGPT into your operations, you're not just improving your processes or decision-making capabilities, you're paving the way for a future where efficiency, excellence, and innovation are the norm. So gear up to revolutionize your industry. Embrace the power of Lean Six Sigma, ChatGPT, and Excel, and be at the forefront of change. The future is bright, and it's yours to shape.